Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to attend our press conference despite your busy schedule. Let me introduce myself. I am Maeguchi from Communication Section of Inamori Foundation, serving as MC today. My great pleasure. This announcement of the laureates for 2022 Kyoto Prize is streaming live on YouTube with 2 languages, Japanese and English. Now, first of all, let me introduce the members for this conference. First, from your left, the chair of Kyoto Prize Executive Committee, Dr. Hiroyuki Sakaki. He is the chairman of Nara National Institute of Higher Education and Research. Next is the chair of Kyoto Prize Committee of Advanced Technology, Dr. Kenichi Kitayama. He is a professor emeritus at Osaka University. And the next is the chair of Kyoto Prize Committee of Basic Sciences, Dr. Yo Iwasa, a professor emeritus at Kyushu University. Lastly, the chair of Kyoto Prize Committee of Arts and Philosophy, Dr. Seiji Choki, a professor at Graduate School of Arts and Sciences, the University of Tokyo. Now, I call upon Dr. Sakaki, the chair of Kyoto Prize Executive Committee, to announce the laureates of the Kyoto Prize 2022. Dr. Sakaki, please. Let me announce the 2022 Kyoto Prize laureates. First, the 2022 Kyoto Prize for Advanced Technology in the prize field of electronics goes to Dr. Carver Mead. Dr. Mead is an electronics engineer and applied physicist, and his age is 88. His achievement is leading contributions to the establishment of the guiding principles for VLSI system design. He is currently Gordon and Betty Moore Professor of Engineering and Applied Science Emeritus at California Institute of Technology. In 1960, Dr. Mead took his PhD at California Institute of Technology, and since then, for 40-some years, he has devoted himself to education and research at his own alma mater. Even after he has become Professor Emeritus in 1999, Dr. Mead has been earnestly involved in various research activities in the field of electronics and applied physics. Next is the category of basic sciences. The prize field this year is biological sciences, and the laureate is Dr. Bryan T. Grenfell. Dr. Grenfell is a population biologist and 67 years old. His achievement is development of an innovative methodology for integrative analysis of pathogen evolution and epidemics. Dr. Grenfell is now Catherine Brigger and Sarah Fenton Professor of Ecology and Evolutionary Biology and Public Affairs at Princeton University. Since 2009 up to date, he has dedicated himself to his research and education at Princeton University as a professor, but before that, he was also teaching as a professor at University of Cambridge and also at Pennsylvania State University. Lastly, arts and philosophy. Prize field this year is music, and the laureate is Dr. Zakir Hussain. He is a tabla player, 71 years old. His achievement is that he is a highly innovative and creative artist who opened up the new musical possibilities of the tabla, a traditional Indian percussion instrument. As a leading tabla player of Hindustani music, which is a classic music in North India, Dr. Zakir Hussain has transcended the framework of traditional Indian music and opened up a new world of music by collaborating with musicians of various genres all over the world. He made a huge and tremendous impact on musicians worldwide. Those are the 2022 Kyoto Prize laureates. All three are quite well and very active today. This year is the 37th Kyoto Prize, which is now widely recognized as an international award. We are pleased to note that all three are truly outstanding and appropriate laureates in the name of Kyoto Prize. It was my pleasure to make this announcement as a chair of the executive committee. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Sakaki. With this, we would like to conclude the YouTube streaming of the announcement of the laureates for 2022. Thank you very much for joining us.